Deep in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, Colorado's high country reveals some of the most breathtaking beauty in the stretch between Crested Butte, Aspen, and Snowmass. A land built by fire, water, and time, Colorado's dramatic landscape tells a story written over 1.7 billion years ago. The Elk Mountains, Colorado's rugged crown of the Rockies, rising in sculpted majesty between Aspen, Snowmass, and Crested Butte. The Elk Mountains stand among Colorado's most dramatic and storied mountain ranges. Forming part of the greater Rocky Mountains, the Elks are known for their rugged beauty, striking geology, and the iconic peaks that define the skyline of central Colorado. This is what I signed up for. Whether dusted in winter snow or glowing in autumn light, the Elk Mountains hold an elemental power that captures every visitor's imagination. They are more than a backdrop. They are a living reminder of the wild, restless spirit of Colorado's high country. From the crimson ridges above Aspen to the flower-filled valleys near Crested Butte, the Elks remain one of the Rocky Mountains' most awe-inspiring realms, a place where beauty, challenge, and wilderness converge in a timeless grandeur. Today, Colorado's beauty lies not only in its scenery, but also in its story, a saga of creation and transformation that spans nearly 2 billion years. From the depths of ancient seas to the summits of the Rockies, the state's landforms reveal the ceaseless power of nature to shape, destroy, and rebuild. Colorado, in every sense, is a land still in motion. Gonna wrap it up for I think a 12-day, 11-day, something like that. I forgot, but this is about gonna wrap it up.